Are you tired of restrictions on Telegram in Egypt? Well, guess what? Stick around because we've got a fantastic surprise waiting for you at the end of this video. Introducing Mena VPN, your ultimate solution to unblock Telegram and enjoy unrestricted access to all your favorite channels and chats. Here's how it works. 1. Download and install Mena VPN using the discount code in the description. 2. Open the app, log in, and connect to a server outside Egypt. 3. Launch Telegram and start exploring without any restrictions. But wait, there's more! Mena VPN not only unblocks Telegram but also offers top-notch features like lightning-fast speeds, military-grade encryption, and a strict no-logs policy to ensure your privacy and security online. Don't let censorship hold you back. Unlock Telegram in Egypt today with Mena VPN. And don't forget to use the discount code in the description to get Mena VPN for free.